What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. My name's Evan, and if you haven't been here before, welcome. We're gonna go over 5 home office essentials. Now, what I'm gonna do is just give you an insight into a few of the things that make my new office space that is a work in progress special for me. Now, there's some tech, there's some non-tech, there's productivity stuff, there's non-productivity, but these are 5 things that, for me, make my home office not only a place for extreme productivity, but a space for, I guess, a little bit of relaxing and just feeling at home and comfortable and very creative. So this is my space. Welcome to the video. Let's jump into it. All right, item number 1, home office essential. Earplugs. This is the box that they came in. Hear Protect, that's what they're called. You can use them for all sorts of stuff, and then it came with a little metal carrying case, and I'll show them to you. But the brand is Hear Protect. I don't know, probably some cheap knockoff, but it was like 20 bucks or something like that. And they just look like this, these blue little silicone plugs. I was looking for something that obviously blocked out as much noise as possible. They're like rated by how many decibels they block out. I just wanted to block out the most possible. And something really simple, because what I was doing beforehand was using my AirPods Pro and then putting them in and then doing the noise cancellation mode. And it was great, and many people just do that. But what I kept forgetting was that I had them in my ears because they get comfortable and you get used to it. And then I'd go to want to listen to music and the batteries would be dead, and then I didn't have my AirPods. It was frustrating. What's nice about these earplugs is that obviously they're silicone, so they mold themselves to you pretty well. They go in your ear as opposed to over the ear, so you get a lot of cancellation, and it's just very minimal. And they're made for sleeping too. I mean, it's just kind of nice, like laying on your side or whatever. So if you're looking for a super cheap, low-tech solution to just create some isolation where you can just focus on whatever you're trying to do and literally escape the world around you, even just from right out here, escape it all, get yourself some earplugs. Home office essential number 2, for me, are my JBL 6-inch studio monitors that sit on either corner tucked away back on my desk. I love these things and I use these things all the time. The reason that I love studio monitors as opposed to any external speaker setup that you could use for your home office, home desk situation is if you're a music lover or an audiophile, somebody that really does appreciate the intricacies within a mix or things like that. These are great because I can run it at really low volumes, because this gray wall right behind me, fun fact, on the other side of that wall is my 1-year-old's bedroom, and his crib backs up against this wall. So when I'm sitting here at my desk working and it's nap time, conveniently right in the middle of the day, I gotta keep things quiet. When I'm listening to chill, just study, lo-fi hip hop type beats, just things like that, you still get a lot of that low end. You don't lose it when you turn the volume down. It's just everything, the clean audio, the clear, high, transparent audio just lowers. And so you still get that vibe and that feeling that you're looking for, that type of music provides. But then, of course, when it's time to have a dance party, we can throw on some disco. Yeah, I'm loving the disco music these days, so I don't care. Say what you want. And real quick, before we go on to the rest of the list, if you could just quickly hit the like button if you're enjoying this so far. This is a very small YouTube channel, so even a single like or a single comment or just watching this all the way through to the end, it does a lot for the channel, and it does give me the insight and feedback to kind of know what type of content I should put out so that we can continue to grow the channel and just have fun with what we're making and start to actually engage with you guys as well. So I appreciate that. Hit that like button. Item number 3, a candle. Now this is a unique one. This is actually one that I made myself, and if you can tell, it is a bourbon bottle, Woodford Reserve Double Oaked. For any of you bourbon drinkers, this is my favorite one right now. I wanted to turn this into a candle because I think these bottles look so cool. And I did a little bit of Pinteresting, and I think some other people do this too, but I was like, shoot, like that's really cool. And so, you know, I bought the different things I needed to make a candle out of it. And obviously you can tell I'm not a professional glass cutter and it's a bit dirty. This one's pretty much done. So it's time for me to make another one. But get yourself a candle for your home office. The more senses that you can tap into for your space, it's gonna help you really have the feeling that you're looking for. Just makes me love the space. Who doesn't like a good candle? If you don't like a good candle, you're honestly not yet the best version of yourself. Pow. Item number 4, super low tech, not expensive at all, at least my version. Some UV blocker glasses. These are needing to be cleaned and are a little cracked, but that's okay. I really enjoy wearing these. For me, it's just kind of more fun. I actually forget that I have these on a lot of times, and I can't really wear them for videos because the glare and all that. But I don't know, it's supposed to, I don't know the science, man. It's something about it keeping, I don't know, it keeps you not feeling so stressed. It helps your eyes stay protected. It's science and health and stuff, but, and then if you want to sit there and, you know, think through something, or you just want to look a little smarter than you actually are, a cheap pair of UV blocker clear lens glasses will do the trick. All right, I gotta take you somewhere else to show you the next one. And for my 5th and final home office essential for me is my other spot to sit. Sitting in the same chair all day long gets old, and I'm sure many of you out there know exactly what I'm talking about. So in this new office, it's a converted bedroom, so there's enough space where I can have my desk in one area and a little cozy nook in the other. So it's nice to just be able to kick back, sit at a different level, just stay in the same room and enjoy this space for creativity and productivity and everything else that I like to do in here. Of course, I got the guitars here, so if I just need to kind of check out a little bit from what I'm doing work-wise, I can just grab a guitar off the wall and kick it right here, have a little jam session, play a little ditty. Then when it's time to get back to it, I can even just grab my iPad and work straight from here too. So it's nice to have basically zone A and zone B. And because I can, I have a bonus. This would be number 6 of my home office essentials, and it's been in every shot of this video so far. That's right, the cheeseburger sign. Well, technically it's a hamburger, but I just call it the cheeseburger sign because I'm a cheeseburger guy. What are you? Are you a cheeseburger person or a hamburger person? Leave your vote for who you are in the comment below, and let's see who the bigger crowd is. Anyway, I found this neon sign. I was browsing Amazon because I was looking for just like another piece to add in that would be just, I guess, bright and fun and just kind of give a different depth and dynamic to my space, something just cool to look at. And so I was thinking like, oh, I'll get like a neon sign. Of course, they look pretty cool in YouTube backgrounds. I've obviously watched these types of videos myself all the time, and I've seen them and they look sweet. So I was like, let me find a good one. I'll find like some sort of quote like always grinding or never given, always earned. Something that was just kind of maybe motivational and just like script looking and just cool. And then of course, as Amazon does, it has the recommended products that are related to what you're looking at. And this burger popped up. And so it looked like it'd be a pretty cool size and it would look pretty cool. And I think it was like 30 bucks. Once again, I'm putting the links for the things that I can in the description below, so check that out. Get yourself a burger sign, get some sort of neon sign, something that shows some personality. It's cool because in this like professional office space, I wanted to have my personality, and I wouldn't say I'm obsessed with burgers, but I don't know. It just kind of shows the silly side of me. I'm not sure, but get yourself a neon sign. All right, guys, that does it for this video. So far, we've got some marketing stuff on the channel, a couple business things on the channel. We're building this thing back up. So if you like just the home office type stuff like I do, we'll figure out what kind of content we should be coming up with next. So until next time, peace. Hey, and if you're a business owner or you have some sort of side hustle and you're emailing a contact list, make sure you grab my free checklist from my website. This is the ultimate checklist for crafting killer marketing emails. Go grab it, evanshank.com.